I'm Katrina, and today we're going to be spreading some holiday cheer with another Christmas freebie. Before we get started, you're going to need your front pattern piece cut on the fold, 4 strap pieces, 2 of your upper side panel, cut mirror image, 2 of your pocket piece, 2 side bottom panels, mirror image, 1 facing piece cut on the fold, and 2 back panel pieces. We're going to start with our strap pieces. You're going to take 2 of your strap pieces and put them right sides together, sewing with a 3/8 seam allowance on each of these long sides. And then you're going to repeat with the other set of straps, and you're going to turn them right side out and press flat. Go ahead and set your straps to the side and we'll use them later.